Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we combine market news and chart analysis to get a clearer picture of stock trends. Today, we're focusing on Microsoft stock, and examining its recent performance in light of current events. Recent news headlines suggest a generally positive outlook for Microsoft, with mentions of strong cloud performance and a new share repurchase program. However, we need to look at the charts to determine how these positive events have impacted the stock price. Let's start by analyzing the daily chart for Microsoft. We see a steady upward trend over the past few weeks, indicating strong buying pressure. There's been some volatility along the way, suggesting short-term profit-taking. Zooming in on the past month's worth of daily candles on the one-day chart, we notice a noticeable upward movement that correlates with the positive investor relations news that we just discussed. There is clear support at the 400 level, which could be a good entry point for long-term investors. Now, let's switch to the one-hour chart to observe the more granular details of price movements. On the one-hour chart, we observe shorter-term fluctuations in MSFT's price. These intraday movements are commonly driven by short-term traders and market sentiment changes. Notice how the one-hour candles sometimes contradict the bigger picture from the daily timeframe, illustrating that it's crucial to consider both short-term and long-term perspectives when trading. Looking at support and resistance levels on the hourly chart reveals several key price points where buying and selling activity tends to cluster. These are important to monitor for potential entry and exit signals. Let's zoom into a specific period of high volatility on the one-hour chart to further analyze the reasons behind those rapid price changes. This could be correlated to the release of financial reports or other noteworthy announcements. Finally, let's delve into the 15-minute chart to pinpoint even more precise price movements. Here, we can see the impact of short-term trading strategies and quick market reactions. The 15-minute candles provide a high-frequency view of MSFT's price action. Scalpers and day traders will find this time frame particularly useful in making quick trades based on smaller price movements. In summary, Microsoft shows a predominantly bullish trend in the long term, supported by positive news and a clear upward trajectory on the daily chart. However, short-term volatility suggests caution and attention to key price levels. The 400 level on the daily chart serves as a significant support level, while the 425 to 430 level on the one-day chart could act as a resistance level. On the one-hour chart, we notice multiple support and resistance levels around 415, 420, and 425. These prices are important to watch for both entry and exit points. The likelihood of these price levels being reached is moderately high, given the current trend. However, unforeseen news or market events could significantly impact these projections. Keep an eye on any significant news announcements regarding Microsoft's AI initiatives or financial performance. These events are likely to heavily influence the price of Microsoft in both the short and long term. Remember to always conduct thorough research and risk management before making any investment decisions. This analysis is solely for educational purposes.